12. Solve the equations y plus z by 4 is equal to z plus x by 3 is equal to x plus y by 2. Equation 1. And x plus y plus z is equal to 27. Equation 2. From equation 1 we have 3y plus 3z is equal to 4z plus 4x, or 3y plus 3z minus 4z minus 4x is equal to 0, or minus 4x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. Equation 3. Again from equation 1 we have 2z plus 2x equal to 3x plus 3y, or 2z plus 2x minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 0, or minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Equation 4. Adding equation 2 and equation 3 we have minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 27. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 2 by 2 we have 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 54, and minus x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 0. Subtracting 3x plus 5y is equal to 54. Equation 6. By adding equation 5 and equation 6 we have 9y is equal to 81, or y is equal to 81 by 9 is equal to 9. Putting the value of y in equation 5 we have minus 3x plus 36 is equal to 27, or minus 3x is equal to 27 minus 36 is equal to minus 9, minus minus plus, or x is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Now putting the value of x and y in equation 2 we have 3 plus 9 plus z is equal to 27, or 12 plus z is equal to 27, or x is equal to 27 minus 12 is equal to 15. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 9, and z is equal to 15. Answer.